Welcome back! Today, into the most incredible smoky tandoori pomfret. Right here by the ocean. Let's create something unforgettable. The secret to a perfect tandoori fish starts right here. These deep cuts help every bit of the marinade soak in, making each bite incredibly flavorful. Now that our fish is ready, let's make a rich tandoori marinade. Every ingredient has a purpose, and together they create that bold, smoky flavor we're after. Take your time with this step. Work the marinade deep into every cut, then let the fish rest for at least 30 minutes. That's how you build incredible flavor in every bite. Let's give our fish some time to absorb all those beautiful flavors. Great food is all about patience. While our pomfret is soaking up those bold tandoori flavors, let's take a little break and enjoy. This is my favorite part. The charcoal gives the pomfret a deep, smoky aroma, while the butter keeps it juicy. Cook it slowly and let every side develop that perfect char. And here it is, smoky, juicy, and packed with incredible flavor. Every bite is tender, every spice comes through perfectly. If you enjoyed cooking with me by the ocean, thank you for joining me on this beachside cooking adventure. I hope this whole tandoori pomfret inspires your next meal. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and share it.